The window replacement project at the Waco Police Tower is making steady progress. With the south and west sides of the building complete, construction on the north side of the building is expected to be completed early fall, with the east side to be completed toward the end of the year. The current windows were original to the 1970 building from when it was built as part of the old Hillcrest Medical Center. More than 16,000 square feet of single-glazed windows and 25,000 square feet of metal panels are getting replaced with a double-glazed system. The new window system is expected to provide an annual savings of approximately $56,000 per year in energy use expenses. This week, Mr. Mark visited all 4 Waco Library locations for a fun, interactive storytelling experience with a twist. Of balloons, that is. Mr. Mark uses twisty balloons as props in his storytelling to engage the audience and have them get in on the fun performing part of the story. During this week's performances, the kids experienced Once Upon a Storytime, where they joined Sir George, each wielding their very own balloon sword, in the fight against the dangerous dragon.
Anytime that you can introduce children to a story, that just leads them into being interested in even more stories, which of course at the library we have plenty of.
Every day can be just as magical at your local library, with the over 500,000 items waiting to be checked out. Visit the library and let your imagination come to life. To learn more about upcoming activities and programs, visit wacolibrary.org. On Friday and Saturday, City of Waco Parks and Recreation hosted the 2023 TAAF Region 3, 5, and 11 Regional Track and Field Meet at the Hart-Patterson Track and Field Complex. More than 2,000 registered athletes from 56 counties across the state of Texas competed for a chance to advance to the Texas State Championships meet later this month in Brownsville. Of this year's 366 Team Waco members, 178 registered to compete this weekend. Our Team Waco Youth Summer Track and Field athletes have been working hard this season, and we are so proud of the growth and progress they've shown. Keep up the great work, Team Waco.